You are Valentine Biltmore.
Yes. Yes, I am. Please, come in. You want a drink?
It is my understanding, Mr. Biltmore, that you are a little lost.
Your card said you specialize in helping people get back on track.
I do, among other things.
I was out on the highway and I couldn't really figure out where I was. I pulled in here to get some rest and found your card pinned to the bulletin board in the lobby.
No GPS or smartphone.
I don't have a smartphone. My GPS is on the blink.
Right. Well, how technology makes us so dependent, Mr. Biltmore. New devices, they make it easy and convenient, but yet we still seem to get ourselves lost. Mind if I sit?
No, go right ahead.
Thank you. Now, to get you where you need to be, I'm going to ask you some questions to better assess your situation.
Okay. Knock yourself out.
What day of the week is today?
Friday.
Good. You say that you are lost. What makes you believe this?
This is so stupid.
Mr. Biltmore, please. What makes you think that you are lost?
Everything is unfamiliar to me. I don't know, I've been driving a long time.
Well, the world is an unfamiliar place to a newborn. A new country is an unfamiliar place to an immigrant. This does not necessarily mean that they are lost.
Well, I'm not a newborn. And I'm definitely not an immigrant.
Indeed, Mr. Biltmore, at least not to this country you are not. But you are indeed lost. Now tell me, how did you become lost? Have you ever been convicted of a crime?
Is this really necessary?
Mr. Biltmore, please answer the question. Have you ever been convicted of a crime?
Yeah.
And what was the nature of the offense?
I was connected to a family who was up north.
And do you remember where you were going?
Anywhere.
Anywhere.
Yeah.
Well, Mr. Biltmore, if you do not know where you are going, then you cannot be lost.
But I am.
How so?
Because I'm not where I need to be.
Mr. Biltmore, the mind is a mysterious thing. When we overthink something such as pain, anxiety and depression can occur. You may be looking at something, seeing something, that in actuality is not there. You may be concentrating on something. Then a thought comes in, a new thought, and you become completely confused. This is very common amongst those who lack rest, who have not slept. Tell me, Mr. Biltmore, have you slept?
No. said before that you specialize in other things. What did you mean?
What do you mean?
I have a problem.
Please explain.
Please help me. You can help me. You can help me.
This is my problem.
Listen to me. Do you know who I am?
Of course I do, James Crumph. Everyone does.
And you know I have power. Get me out of here. I have power, I have money, and I know a lot of people. Okay? I could do you favors. Anything you want, you name it. It's yours.
Favors.
Yes. I'm gonna be president someday. I promise you that. Okay? Just let me go. Nobody has to know about this. Not a soul. I've paid off cops. I've paid off lawyers.
He was a job I was supposed to do, but I couldn't go through with it. I took him hostage instead. You think you can help me?
From what I see, Mr. Biltmore, you need to help yourself.
What does that even mean? What good are you? Ah, fuck this. I knew this was a waste of fucking...
Hey, easy. Situations such as these are better dealt with quietly. Wouldn't you agree?
Please don't.
This job was keeping you from where you need to go. I cannot take you there, but I can show you. Completely untraceable. All the information you need can be found inside this phone.
How do you know?
Mr. Biltmore, I'm a rain dog too.
How much do I owe you?
No charge now, Mr. Biltmore, but I do charge for disposal, so my suggestion to you is to dump him off the highway near Indian Lake. There are many lost souls at the bottom of that lake. You have my card.
Yeah.
Good. Good night, Mr. Biltmore.
Good night.
I've got the blues, I feel so lonely. I'd give the world if I could only make you understand. It surely would be grand. I'm going to telegraph you, baby. won't you please come home? 'Cause when you're gone, I worry all day long. Oh, baby, won't you please come home?